Hi, I'm Victor, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple hologram. Yeah, that is very easy to do. So first you'll need a sheet of transparency paper. Yeah, I got this sheet for 36 baht, approximately. Yeah, and then after that marker, and then after that you can have some transparent tape and a scissor, and that's all you need. So first you need to get the transparency paper and make it red like this. So this has to be 35 millimeters and this has to be 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters, I guess. And then once you've done that, so after you've made this, you have to try to cut it out like that and cut the whole thing out. But after you cut it out, you can get all of these sheets and then you have to tape them together. So the permanent markers are to just show you the grid, and you can write that to help you and you can use this grid to cut it out. Then now you use the tape, you can prepare short sheets of tape, and now maybe 2 centimeters. And after that you just tape this to the other one, and just make sure the base is even though it's not so accurate because I was in a rush to do this. I was rushing to do this. Not that accurate. Just stick it together and try to make it like the bottom is like down, like this, and then make it more like together-ish, and then do like it all for all the sides, and then it should look like a pyramid at the end. Yeah, you have to take a lot. Yeah, now the last piece you will use 2 pieces of tape. You can just tape it and try to make it even each, but it should be transparent tape so that it's easier to look through, not like color tape. And after that, the final step is to stick the last parts together. It doesn't have to be so even if you're in a rush, but yeah, since I'm in a rush, you can do it anyway. And finally, after that, you'll have to try to make it look like this pyramid shape-ish thing. The more accurate, I think, the better. Yeah, and after you make this already, yeah, like this, it's already like this. And then finally, you need to get a video that you can use. I used the movie or the moon pyramid hologram screen up. And you can search for that. So it's here, and so now you're just focusing in the center with the moon, and after that you can see it now, but you should try to turn off the lights. And yeah, now the lights are off, and then you can try to see the moon hologram. And I think you can see it, but you can't really see it. So yeah, here. So now you can see the moon hologram. It's a bit about the moon, yeah, it's changing. As you can see it, yeah. So that's my original hologram I did before. Okay, yes, I'm finished. Thanks for watching, and bye.